bike check. So we have got at the front the pads. One pad and this too, which is the same as another pad to cover the headset. Then you've got the SE sign and the front brake, which will be on the back. If I didn't get this brake, the SE pegs, the SE blocks flyer seat with another pad. Then it says blocks flyer down here with the cranks, the white cranks with black pedals, and we've also got the SE tyres which come with it, and with these that came with it as well. I'll show you closer if it will come off. Don't take your time. It came with it and it looks like a bullet, so I think they're quite cool as well. Also, we've got this where the chain sits on. It has, if you can see properly, I'll show you in a minute, and it says SE on it with loads of lines and stuff. We've got a little sticker there which came with it. And then, well, I got this from Grip Bikes, so at Grip Bikes. I've changed the bike around, and I didn't show you, but I got the SE donut. Oops. SE bike donut. It says SE on it in white. Also have SE bike grips, and I'll show you this. That's like it says SE. SE on it. And that's it for today.
As I say my name, first class flight to LA as soon as I land with a paper plane. Soon touch back in the end, 110 on the M trying to take a chance. Big fat stack in my bag when I unzip that finna make it rain.
Now we've done the blocks bike check, let's move on to the Mafia Bomber. First of all, we've got these orange and white spoke wraps on these Lagos tyres that are stock from the Mafia Bomber. Second, we've got these Hitman grips, white, come with the bomber, and this brake. And now we've got these Scoot and Skates wristbands to hold the brake. And for the seat, we've got a Mafia, no limits, really soft, a few chips. And the pedals, Carrera, black Carrera pedals, because my Mafia one's broke. And orange Mafia pegs with black grip tape on. And yeah, that's it.
What's going on? Why am I wet? Gal, that's rain. Can't we run down this rain? Right wrist to left wrist, that's rain.